Today I'll be showing you how to restore or recover Civil 3D workspace, and we are going to do that in Civil 3D application. So I'll be opening up my Civil 3D application, and looking at this working space, I can right away tell that these are not a normal Civil 3D workspace that most of us are used to. So looking at this working space switching button, you can tell that we have three working space. We have drifting and annotation, 3D basics, and 3D modeling. So 3D Civil 3D workspace is missing. So if you cannot see this button here, just click on this little button here and then click on workspace. So just click on that and click on workspace. You can also find it at the bottom here, and if you cannot see this workspace switching button, just click at the bottom right corner right here, and then you can find the workspace switching button right somewhere here. Yeah, right here you can click on the workspace switching. Just click on it to activate. So to add the Civil 3D workspace, and you can tell that it is missing because some of the buttons at the top here are missing. So like if you click on the show menu bar, you can see that Toolspace is missing. You can tell that tabs like parcel are missing, points are missing. So in order to recover that, just click on this menu button here, and then go to profile, and then make sure that you select the file tab. Click on the file tab and then expand on the customization file by clicking on this little plus button, and then expand on main customization file. Click it once to highlight, and then click on browse. So it will take you to a support folder in C, and then just scroll and look for Civil 3D. So select the Civil 3D, this one here, and then click on open and click apply. So click OK, and then so just give it time to load. And if we go back to this workspace again and click on this drop down, you can see now Civil 3D workspace have been added. So if you select it, it's going to load the Civil 3D workspace that we are used to. So from there you can now do the normal customization. You can actually add menu bar. Just click on this icon, little icon here, and then click on show menu bar, and then you can see that the buttons or the tabs that I was talking about have been added. You can see a tab like parcel is right here. You can see a tab points, and you can also add the toolbars like that. So from there you can actually go ahead and do your work in Civil 3D. So that's how you actually recover or restore your Civil 3D workspace. I'll see you in the next one.